Well, Black will be guessing, that's for sure.
It's over the wall and it's in! Another slice of Messi magic. 600th goal for club and country. And even the great goalkeeper Jan Oblak couldn't get there. Breakthrough for the league leaders. And it just had to be Lionel Messi.
What an expensive challenge from Thomas Partey as well. You talked about the perfect position for Messi. And that's the perfect position for the resulting free kick. Oblak at full length, tries to get his left hand across, the wall jumps. He actually gets a touch to it, doesn't he, Oblak? Palms it into the goal. So important for Barcelona. Atletico Madrid, as long as they're in the game, keeping the clean sheet. They were going to be patient, going to be content, get bodies back behind the ball. And it does. It is a turning point. Atletico Madrid will have to come out now. Will have to try and somehow get an equaliser.
In the big games, the big ones in the week. And that little bit of difference made all the difference. Here's Luis Suarez. It's a great block from Jimenez, superb defending.
You see there, Suarez claiming there's a handball. You get caught in possession, Atletico Madrid. Barcelona really sharp. Suarez gets the attempt away. No penalty there for me. From the first angle that we saw the replay from.
Thought about a shot for a moment or two. Here's Coutinho, it's opening up. And Oblak able to beat at him.
It's a real dilemma for Atletico Madrid on that side of the defence. Jordi Alba makes the overlap. Do you track the run of Jordi Alba?
Another Messi corner. Important moments from Atletico Madrid's point of view. Can't afford to ship another now. Otherwise, that hope for the title is drifting beyond the horizon. And their shell a little earlier, it shows perhaps that there's that Busquets volley. They just wanted to stay in the game as much as possible. But effectively, it's come down to a 45-minute game from their perspective.
Well, it is the nature of the coach. He's not going to change.